Good day, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Want to take you on a walk around a way to make extra money with just one truck. This is a switch and go body. Switch and go body's been matched to my Chevy crew cab 14.5 GVW. I put it with a 24-inch crew box. My switch and go allows for dual operation at least. As an example, you could take a mulch crew. Take a dump out to the site, drop off that mulch body, drop out that crew, let them get to work on that, head back home, grab your landscape body, put it on the back and go work a day. At the end of time, drop one off, go pick up the other, make most of the day with one truck and dual purposes. This truck has a receiver tube and brake controller. It is again a switch and go body, allowing you that flexibility to do something different in your industry. Let us design what it is that you need to do with the truck and help you make the decision to work with me and this chassis and a body that can grow your business. This is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Look forward to working with you. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. Thank you.